Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to share my thought on the Lino Perros woman sling bag that I recently picked up from Amazon and just 1048 rupees. Well, its MRP is 2000 so approx. And first off, let's talk about the design. This bag is chicken style, is perfect for any occasion, whether you are heading out for a casual day or dressing up for an evening event. It compartment your outfit beautifully. The craftsmanship is impressive. You can tell that it's made and quality material that not only look good but also feel durable. Now let's discuss functionality. The Lino Perros Sling bag has ample space for all your essential, your phone, wallet, key, and even a small makeup pouch. Its feature is a secure closer adjustable strip and making it comfortable to wear all day long. Plus, the lightweight design means you won't feel weighted down. One of my favorite aspect is the color option available. You can choose from classic, natural to vibrant shades, making it easy to find one that suits your personal style. And let's now not forget but the price. Getting this stylish bag for just 1048 rupees is an absolutely steal compared to its MRP. It's a fantastic deal if you are looking to elevate your accessories game without breaking the bank. And if you are in the market for a versatile and elegant sling bag, I highly recommend checking out the Lino Perros woman sling bag. It combines style, functionality, and valuable effortlessly. Don't miss out on this amazing find. If you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box, so you can check it out. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune me, and your support means the world to me. Creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivate me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like, comment, share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform and inspire, and your feedback is invaluable, and so please keep sharing your thoughts, suggestions. I want to make sure I am improving what you want to see. Remember, this is a two-way street, and your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. Till then, bye, take care.